Let's find them, ready, go. All letters run away. A to Z, don't stay. Oh no, what do we see? Letters run away from me. Duck cries, come back, please. Cow says, let's search trees. Don't worry, duck, we will try. Find them low and find them high. Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look behind the apple tree. Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo, Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo, Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look inside the barn for you. Look inside the barn for you. Weaveray, weaveray, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo, Nursery, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? There, look near the pond so blue. Nursery, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo, Weaveray, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in the grassy field too.
Oh no!
Liberty, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo.
Wow!
Merriff, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Should look behind the farm gate too. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Merriff, where are you? Look there, what do you do? Look in the cornfield too. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Merriff, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look behind the kitty. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Look in muddy farm shoes. Merriff, where are you? Here I am, peek-a-boo. Where are you?
Wow!
Look here, Here I am, peek-a-boo. And around, where are you? Look here, look there, what do you do? Looking bright and shocking too. The letters are coming to life.
They're gathering around us.
And around, where are you? Here I am,
Wow.
Here, look there, what do you do? Look in the heart, you find me too.
Careful now.
And around, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no.
Look there, what do you do? Look in the heart, you find me too.
Friend, it's a beautiful day.
Wow.
Here I am, peek-a-boo. Look here, look there, what do you do? Look at the cornfield, find two. Better are you? Here I am, hiding was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do do do, do do do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do 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 do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked. Oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile.
Oh no.
4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid in the green seaweed sway. Mommy called, come out and play. Out swam the second baby shark, wiggling away. 3 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid inside the old shipwreck. Mommy peeked in. What the heck? Out popped the third baby shark. Surprise attack. 2 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick tock, out came the 4th baby shark, laughing
Oh, no.
non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do 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 do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried. Where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end. All 5 baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast. They swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow. 5 baby sharks. Hiding was fun. Swim, swim, swim. We love playing. How about you? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no.
Ha ha ha. Found my hiding place. Wow, look, the balloons are going up. Pop, 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 balloons birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Hey, ABC, come and see. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Baby sea, shout it loud. Learning time, we're so proud. A is for apple, floating high in a bubble up in the sky. Baby shark says I can reach. Pop, he grabs it with a leap. Wow, wow. What a start. Learning letters with a heart. Bubble pop and ABC. Join the fun in ocean sea. B is for ball, bouncing round. Bubbles lifted off the ground. Baby shark jumps, got it now. Doing it bounces on his brow. Baby bee, bounce so high. In the bubbles up we fly. ABC is fun, you see. Baby shark is learning free. C is for cake, oh so sweet. Floating slowly near his feet. Baby shark says yummy treat. But it spins, oh what a beat. See, cake in air. Bubble magic everywhere. Learning letters, what a thrill. ABC fun gives us skill. All the letters start to fly. D to Z in bubbly sky. A is dolphin, E is egg. F is fish doing funny leg. Baby shark is dancing fast. ABC fun is here at last. V to Z, come with me. Bubbly letters in the sea. Jump and learn and sing along. ABC is our happy song. Suddenly, bubbles go boom pop, letters spin and never stop. Baby shark says wait for me. I can't catch whole ABC. Mommy laughs, just try again. Learning letters is so fun. ABC, don't be late. Bubble world is really great. Learn and laugh and play all day. Baby shark will show the way. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC adventurely. For choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo-choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight.
Oh no.
Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo-choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the Stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. Hi, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or back. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!